Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm bringing to you a quick weave install. So we're going to start this video off with my braid pattern. This is something very quick and flat that I do on my own head because I'm honestly one of those people that hate braiding my own hair. So once I get done braiding, I'm going to go ahead and put on the stocking cap. Once I have on the stocking cap, I then begin my install. So today we're going to be using 4 bundles of Klaiyi hair, and we're going to start the install off with the longest length. So what you're going to do is take that longest length, put it in the back of your head, measure from left to right. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and cut off that measured piece, add some glue to the track, and place it in the exact place you just measured. So once you do that, in the video, you're going to see me use some Got To Be spray just to add in that extra security, but this is optional. You don't have to do it, as well as you can use a blow dryer, but that's also optional. So this process is pretty repetitive. You're just going to constantly keep measure, cut, glue, place, measure, cut, glue, place. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and let y'all enjoy the video. Okay, so I know I said I will be back, and the video is going pretty quick, so I'm back. So we're going to go ahead and go to the top of your head where you see, you're going to do this a little bit different than how you do the back of your head. The back of your head, you're going to glue the track side to side, but when you get to the front, you're going to curve that edge part of the track a little bit forward. If you pay close attention, you can kind of see what I'm doing, where I'm pushing that track that's closest to my forehead. I'm tilting it up, so when the wind blows and my hair blows back, it will keep that seamless appearance. And I'll be doing that all the way until I get closest to my leave out. So once you lay that last track, you can go ahead and cut off the remaining cap, which is around that leave out part, and you can start blending. hair that's being featured in this video today is Klaiyi hair. This is the box. And I will provide their link to their website in the description box below. So I bought 4 bundles of hair from them, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And I spent about, because I bought it like a couple of months ago, I just never used it. I bought it for I think like 154, no, 147, I believe. Like 140, 150-ish. So I bought 4 bundles, 14, 16, 18, and 20. As far as the quick weave, I used all of the 20 and 18. I only used a part of the 16 and a part of the 14. So this is the 16. And this is all I use, all I have left. And then this is the 14. And this is all I have left. I put the tracks pretty close together because I am one of those people, I love full hair. So I definitely tried to get all 4 bundles in there. But at the same time, it did not fit. So I probably have a little small head. But at the same time, the 3 1/4 bundles is pretty full. So I will say that you can get away with just 3 bundles, but my longest length is 20. So you also have to be mindful of that. The longer you go in length, the shorter your bundles are. Not shorter. Well, the shorter the width is, but the less hair that comes in the bundle. As far as the 14 and 16, they were my thickest bundles. So I will say if you have shorter limbs, you can get away with 3 bundles. If you go even shorter than 16, you probably can get away with 2. So as far as the video did go pretty fast, but if you all wanted to see anything else that was not featured in, well, not mentioned in my video, let me know in the comment below, and I will do another video where I can explain step by step of how to do the quick weave. I just didn't want to turn an 1.5 hour long video to be that long of a video for you all. I want to turn it into 10 minutes or less. So I probably didn't mention all of the products used, so I definitely want to show you that now. So as far as the glue that's used, I use the Second Pro 30-second glue. As far as spritz, I use the Got To Be blasting free spray. I also use regular spritz, but this is what I had grabbed first. As far as oiling my scalp, I use Wild Growth. And oiling my hair, I use Argon oil and Moroccan oil. All these things you can find from your local beauty supply store or even Walmart. And also, I forgot about this one, I use the Keracare stick wax. So, as far as like the quick weaves can last about 2 weeks to a month. I sew mine down because I work out and I don't want my cap to shift. So sewing it down is just adding that extra security. And as far as this hair, it's pretty soft. It's definitely full. My only downfall to this hair is that it frizzes. So I'm pretty sure you can see the flyaways on the hair. So another thing is that I did not co-wash the hair before installing it, so that could also play a part. I will definitely do that once I take it down, and I can tell you all probably within a month of how this hair acted before co-washing and then after co-washing and things like that. I will definitely give you all an update on this hair, as far as how it acts and operates, and that's pretty much it. So if you would like to see anything else or have anything for me to know, just leave a comment below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.